And welcome back to another segment of Dr. Alana's Nutrition Minute. Today what I want to talk to you about is the importance of meal prepping. So during the week, we're super busy. We're running out of the house to get to work in the morning. We don't get, to get home for lunch. You get home and you got nothing left in the tank to prepare a healthy dinner. So what are some ways that we can make our jobs as far as food a little bit easier during the week? Meal prepping is one of the biggest things that you can do. So when you have a little bit of extra time on the weekend, go ahead and cut up some carrots or celery, peel your vegetables, cook them up even. That way, when you're looking for something real quick that you need to grab and go, you have it ready to go. It's in the fridge, you just grab it and you go. That way you're not grabbing for something more high in calories or fat or sugar. Sometimes it's so easy to, in the morning, you have time to pop a bagel in the toaster and then eat it in the car. Instead, prepare some overnight oats. And then you're getting a much healthier breakfast. Grab a piece of fruit that you already maybe have peeled or chopped up. Something that's still really easy to grab, but you don't have the same calorie intake. A couple other things that you can do. Eggs. Hard boil some eggs. You want to be getting protein in every meal, and sometimes it's really difficult to get that protein in specifically at breakfast. So eggs are a great way to do that. Hard boil 5 eggs over the weekend. There you go. You got part of your breakfast every morning. You're grabbing an egg on your way out the door. Again, I think that meal prepping can really be one of the best tools that you can use to help maintain a healthier diet through the week, because we are all so busy. You had to stay late at work a little bit, so you're real hungry on your way home. You drive through McDonald's. It's fast, it's cheap, it's easy. Instead of doing that, you already have something prepared at home. You just drive home and eat what you already have prepared. So I hope these tricks help you and you find them useful. And as always, thank you for letting me help you achieve a better you today.